KP riders, thanks for joining me today. Today, just doing a quick first impression of the Michelin Road 6 tyres I've just had fitted to the Tigres. So I've done about 73 miles on them so far, and in fairness, Bob, the previous road tyres were totally and utterly knackered. The rear was barely legal. Well, the front was still okay, but the rear was barely legal. So I thought I've got a whole hog and changed both to the new Road 6s. So yeah, first impressions, go. So it's no secret that I am a Michelin fanboy. Can't really deny that. So apologies if this comes across a bit biased. So yeah, I know that Michelin's tyres are always vegan, they said so themselves. Tom, why did you just send me just round on a loop through a village? I know I said it to a winding route, but come on, what's the point in that? Yeah, so as I said, I'm a Michelin fanboy, so yeah, no apologies, I will be a bit biased. And also, I've had pretty much since the first incarnation of the pilot roads, I've had every single incarnation on them on a variety of bikes. So yeah, I know they work well. See, they're sports touring tyres. But they pretty much do everything you ask of them. Sporty, bimbling, everything. Wet, obviously. So yeah, at the minute they're still heading in a bit, so I'm not going crazy around the bends, but so far, yeah, I can confirm in the dry, plenty of feel. You get a good feel for what our front end is doing, and obviously considering my rear tyre was completely squared off, it just feels lovely having a new tyre anyway. But yeah, really good feel from them. My previous road tyres, I've never really had any loss of traction at any point. I've got traction control on the bike, but never had any major moments. Yeah, turning was really nice. Do a little brake test. Yeah, nothing major, but yeah, no loss of traction, nothing. You gotta love that triple engine. Yeah, I know it's a new tyre placebo effect. This feels really nice. Going around these bends. Unexpected air always makes me laugh. I'll tell you what, they do seem to turn in a little bit better than the old Road 5s. Yeah, definitely feel like they're turning a little bit better, a bit nicer. obviously being a new model, new incarnation, you're going to expect them to be better, but yeah. I bought these from blackcircles.com and I had them fitted. I poured at BTD Racing in Thrapston. He does all my servicing on the Speed Twin and all my tyre and chains, pads and all that on the Tiger. Obviously the servicing has to be done at Trance because of the warranty. Yeah, one thing I can confidently say is that definitely seems more eager to turn in. It's lovely. More eager to turn in than on the old Road 5s. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with the Road 5s, but yeah. A lovely ride through the countryside. So let's have a little walk around these little puppies. That new tyres look gorgeous. Yeah, as you see, they're starting to wear really nicely now. Definitely a nice looking tyre. I need to leave my chain, don't I? I'll see what them trademark Michelin Road sipes, when they're called, aren't they, or however you say it, help dissipate the water. And yeah, definitely a great wet weather tyre. Okay, so we're going to give the Road 6s their first proper christening for the benefit of letters. 1, 2, 3, here we go. Here we go. We've only just 100 miles. I don't want to push smaller, but yeah, they feel really good actually. Please get a gravel with this thing. Yep, can confirm. Super confidence and inspiring. Good feel from that front end. They seem to turn in a little bit sharper than the old Road 5s. Yeah, so 102 miles on them now. And so far, so good. Very happy with them. So, after 133 miles on them, this Road 6 has properly bedded in, and what I can definitely say now is wow. I know it is a bit of a placebo effect because my old tyres were properly shot and the handling was gone, but wow, so much confidence around the bends. She just literally drops into the corners like this. Oh, she weighs less than she does. Oh, she's been on a diet. Yeah, very happy with them. I can confirm that these Michelin Road 6 are fantastic tyres. I know what you're probably thinking is I've only had Michelins for the past several years, so I don't really know what other tyres feel like. But this did start off on Michelin Road next, and they were shit. I've just tested in a Tiger 1200 GT Pro with those tyres as well, and those tyres, that might remind me why those tyres are so shit. They're horrible. Why would you fit them as standard? Thanks for riding with me, V-Riders. Speak to you on the next one.